when you graph quadratics, they make this type of shape, this U-type shape. We call that a parabola. So to find all these things, the axis of symmetry on the parabola is like the equation of the vertical line. That's what I'm drawing here. You know, so that it's like the line that you would fold it on like a piece of paper, so that the two sides of the quadratic would match up perfectly. So what's the equation of that line? We actually have a nifty little formula for it. It's x equals negative b over 2a, where a is the number next to the squared variable, so our a is 3. B is the number next to the regular variable, so our b is 12, and then c would be 5, but we don't need c for this formula. So the axis of symmetry, the equation is, if you plug in b at 12 for b, that makes negative 12 over 2 times 3. So if you simplify that, it gives you negative 2. So x equals negative 2. It's actually going to be over here for this graph. Our parabola looks something like this. X equals negative 2 is the axis of symmetry. The vertex, you actually already have the x-coordinate of the vertex, right? The x-coordinate is at that point of symmetry. So to find out the other, I'm going to delete it all. We just found out the axis of symmetry happens at x equals negative 2, and the x-coordinate of the vertex is going to be negative 2 because that's where it starts having its symmetry. So you just have to go find that y-coordinate by plugging in negative 2 in for x. So if you simplify, negative 2 squared makes 4, 4 times 3 makes 12, 12 times negative 2 makes negative 24. Our y-coordinate is negative 7. So the vertex is the whole point, okay? Negative 2 comma negative 7. Whether it opens upward or downward, here's the quick trick for that. If A is positive, then it opens upward like this. If A is negative, then it opens downward. Remember, A is that number in front of the squared variable. So our A is positive, so it's going to open upward.